If you're wondering which branch of knowledge is going to contribute more in COVID diagnostics in the days to come, the answer could be extremely surprising. So this branch is not virology or any branch of science. It's a branch of maths called statistics. We all know that enormous number of samples flooding limited testing facilities in the world is making testing impossible at this point of time. The result is limited testing and erroneous results leading to totally wrong predictions as to the rate of spreading of the COVID-19. The only branch of knowledge which can help in this particular conundrum is statistics, because overnight we cannot increase the testing facilities. It is not practical either. The statistical tools for sampling, pooling of samples, and statistical testing of hypotheses would play a key role in testing in future. In other words, if a laboratory is flooded with 1 lakh samples, which might take them weeks to test, what they could do is they could apply statistical principles like classification, sampling, pooling of samples, testing, statistical hypothesis, and extension of hypothesis. In other words, out of this 1 lakh samples, they would first classify them into category A, B, C, D using statistical tools. Then they would fix sample size from each category based on statistical principles. The samples would be tested. Before that, they may even be pooling the samples. If they feel there are too many classifications and too many sets of samples, they might even pool samples using statistical principles. They might test the pooled samples and arrive at a conclusion. Now, whether this conclusion is precise or not, they might again use statistical testing principles to see if their hypothesis is right or wrong. So in the days to come, in COVID diagnostics, COVID testing, the most important branch of knowledge would be none other than statistics. That's for sure. Thank you very much.